wanting to try to key on me, but that's okay.
Switchblade.
I stay. I'll see you, bro. Bye-bye.
Hey, the oil slick out west with the wave. I got down.
I said, I'll talk to you. But, Big Bad John cousin keyed up. He was in your background, way in your background. You told Grandpa he lived to pat himself. That guy over there in 35 miles of water. He told Grandpa to pat himself. But I'm going to go home. Take care, dude.
No, kid, that can't be 300 miles out in the ocean. That can't be 300 miles out in the ocean. But anyway, I got to go. I got to...
No, pat myself on the back. Hey. Switchblade. No, it wasn't pat myself. It was pat myself on the back there, 410.
He said some crazy things. I want to film that. This nigga go, but I got to do the suicide. Man, we're not fuck out. I told you to tell about that. You're so politically incorrect. You told Godfather, what's the difference in patting yourself and patting your back? Oh, Lord, I got you. You want to pat yourself. Take your fireball, do with it.
Myself. Anyway, when he came back one day, he goes, Fireball, man, you patting yourself on the back way too much. So every time I hear him, I come out there, I go, oh yeah, I got that mile down. I got that mile down from the farm all the way up into Michigan. I'm going.
Special treats for that Sylvester the Kitty Cat. I'm gone.
You have the key back there. I don't remember that crazy cat nigga. We don't know that boy talk show. But you gotta, you had to ring your cook 300 out. Okay. But you call him a kitty. I gotta get out of here. Y'all kill me this morning. Bye-bye.
Okay, I'll take it.
Hey, you know what? Somebody called me yesterday. Somebody called me on the phone yesterday and said, hey, man, I'll give you $100. I'll give you $100 if you get Motormouth Mall to Channel 28 and get him off the bowl so he's so boring. hey, Switchblade. Somebody called me on the phone yesterday and said, man, I'll give you $100 if you could take Motormouth Muddy Duck to 28.
Big Bad John gave him some treat. He gave Sylvester the Pussycat some treat. He put it in a bowl, like a Superbowl. He put it in the treat bowl. He gave Sylvester the Pussycat some kibbles and bits. I gave him a key. He said somebody go pay him to take Motormouth to Channel 28. Motormouth on the Superbowl. Sylvester, you over there. Y'all got me laughing. I got a headache already. Bye-bye. You got me locked down.
I don't like kibbles and bits though. They suck. They don't go with Dr. Pepper. Hey, Switchblade. I don't like kibbles and bits, and I don't like kitty treats because they don't go with Dr. Pepper. I'm gone.
Yeah, I know what you like. Cheese, yogurt, and a cat meat, sausage patty, meals, a hamburger meat, there's a bit of a whole pound. Hey, Sylvester, you should get your own kibbles and bits. Your cousin's Big Bad John got pushed to me, so you can't be trusted. Your cousin just pushed to me and said you can't be trusted. If he puts killers and bits in your floor, you better get busy. I gotta go.
It's true, though. I swear to God. The guy who called me, he says, man, will you please get Motor Mouth Mall to go to Channel 28? Just talk some shiggity, tell him to go up there or something, because this boring-ass Motor Mouth Mall's got to get off the bowl. And I was like, dude, he's not going to go to 28. He got his beam pointed, and he wants to be boring all day. But I'm telling you, man, he says, I'll give you $100 if you can get him to go to 28.
The Channel 28. Come on, man. Get out of here, quit lying. Y'all take care. I gotta go to a best. Bye-bye.
I'm not lying. It's not a 99. I'm back out. I don't think he's feeling good, though. I don't know if he's going to be out there today or not. I'll have to message him. Because he's been having a flu for about 3 days.
I told him before yesterday that you was going to bring him some phone food so he can get real soon. Yeah, I told you trust the big bad guy that just going to bring him some phone food. Take care, Roger. Yeah, he doing a bit better now. All right, take care. Fireball. Good job. Bye-bye.
I don't know how a cow bigger could come, man. If I'm sick as a dog, man, you gotta be dying for the radio. If you're really sick as a dog and you come out here and talk on the radio, but you could do it. It can be done. Motor Mouth Mall did it. I'm back out.
I done did it before. I can't do it. I haven't done it right. So big. You get sick and tired of looking at this 75 nature. I come out and get on this campaign 76 color. Take your
And, you know, also, too, when you're sick as a dog, can't be around anybody or do anything, so there's nobody there but your radio. Might as well talk on it.
Put it all out there, please, Dynomite White.
Hey, Dynomite White. Hey, Dynomite White. You should put it all out there. Well, go and get some more. Come in now. Fireball Switchblade. I'm going to feet up. Man, I got 50 DBs in that guy. I got 50 DBs on that campaign. Keep throwing the DBs in front of you. Dynomite White. Okay, I ain't talking about you. I'm not trying to knock you. Throw the DBs in front of you. Take care, Dynomite. Have a good day, okay?
That's right, Blade. Hey, Blade, thanks a lot.
That's because I got that worldwide mall down from the Mag, the Louisiana, Southern Florida, all into the Great Lakes, all the way up in the northeast corner. That's because I got that worldwide mall down because I'm a badass.
Switchblade. Slick is getting on down and down.
He was trying to keep up too, man. Well, this guy, he done keep up. Going far, so he went all over to give up running the player this time. He patted himself. He's gonna keep up on everybody too. I got the long dog from screen to me. He got that I can't see it. Come on, let's get out.
Spain to make. I gotta go.
Hello. 1, 2, 1, 2. 50 out west. Gone.
No, they didn't drop out. I was just waiting for them shiggity replies. No, I was just seeing if them kind of big and Barry or Dynomite White were gonna do something about Fireball having that mile down from Boston to Austin. Oh, my first, my last, my everything, and the answer to all of my dreams. You're the first, my love, ooh, my guiding sun. See, Barry can't do it like I can, because I got that mall down from Spain to Maine.
Very way out there. Turn down the gun.
Oh my goodness, when you were a kid, you saw your beer white, son. When you were a kid, you had that beer way out west, so that's all I heard. I keep up on it. I'm better than these, you know, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm out of here, dude. Boy, good time.
All right, take care there, Switchblade. I'm getting people, your conditions are moving anyway. I'm going to say hello to Rude Boy out there while you bagging and tagging him. Hey, Rude Boy, I'm going to say hello to you while you came in my radio. Hello to you, Rude Boy, while you bagging and tagging him. Your friend Fireball waving at you.
Hey, 6040, that's Barry White. That's not Dynomite White. Hey, 6040.
Hey, Rude Boy. Hey, Rude Boy. Man, that 549 key down, cut your cop, pick a lip smack off. And he said, put a tag around your cop, pick a neck, and jump in the bag. Hey, Rude Boy. Man, that cop, pick a 549 said, put a tag around your neck and jump in your own bag. Hey, 549, I rolled your nickel.
Down them stairs all together. Crazy, crazy. I'm getting down.
Oh, man, now, wait a minute now. Oh, Rude Boy said he's still going to bag and tag. Man, he keyed that mall down, 549. And he said he's still going to be bagging and tagging, and you just might be in one of those body bags. Hey, 549. Rude Boy said you might be in one of those body bags with him.
My bag. Oh, crazy. Crazy. You on the damn dance floor by yourself now, Captain.
Hello, my bag. Hello, my bag.
Right. Crazy, crazy, bike.
That's not a Roger, Rude Boy. Hey, Rude Boy, you see these things out there, my big brother? It's a pleasure to double measure, bumping this thing down your way. Hey, Rude Boy.
I'm a good singer. Hey, Medicine Man. Hey, Medicine Man. I'm a pretty good singer now. I know. I took all the money from my singing lessons and bought me a big amplifier. But I can still sing, Medicine Man. I'm gone.
Yeah. 2020. Boogie, it sounds like it's got all the options in it, too. Sounds like you got heated seats, you got a power steering, you got electric light, you got power windows, you got everything in that thing.
Oh, Dynomite White gonna ease on out here like...
Man, that guy bigger Rude Boy came in there. He said he ain't gonna do you like that on your wheelchair. Hey, Medicine Man. Your tag, Rude Boy said he wasn't gonna do you like that and put you in a body bag and tag and co-tag you there, break.
Crazy, Dynomite White, you doing your thing, Hey, crazy, Dynomite White, put it right back out this Chicago. Hey, crazy, you're not out here. Crazy, Dynomite White.
Hey, crazy, you remember those? Cat nigga, you got that cat nigga, they track taping that cat nigga, and it's a hybrid with the CB radio built into that cat nigga. Crazy, good job.
That cat bigger said that you're a rabbit foot or something like that. Hey, rude boy. He said that something about your rabbit foot fell off your toe or something. Hey, rude boy. Medicine Man said something about your rabbit foot falling off your toe there, break.
Tenfold. Crazy, good job, man. Hey, Crazy, you come out here and you did your cabbing and two-step and your cabbing and side-step and your front, back, and left and right. Good job, cabbing. Mr. Crazy. While you rocking that 2020 fully loaded bluegill.
Here, Roger, on that. Hey, that guy bigger said he was going to come over and help you and cut your grass. Hey, Medicine Man. Oh, Rude Boy said he was going to come over there and help you, man, and cut your kind of big grass there, 410, so you didn't have to there, 410.